10 years from now, you will surely become someone. The big question is, who? What are you becoming? What do you want to do economically? Where do you want to go? What do you want to be? What would you like to have? What would you like to share? How much would you like to earn? How far would you like to go? Those are some major questions to ask. To become the kind of person you want to be, you've got to work at it.
And that is definitely accurate. 10 years from now, you definitely gonna be someone. The question is, are you gonna be happy with the kind of person that you are? Because the best way to predict the future is to start working on it right now. Because yes, there's certain things that you don't know about the future, but if you start working hard and start designing your future, then hey, when you get to that 10 years, your future could be looking like something you designed, rather than you just living in uncertainty. So definitely start designing your future.